Hey everyone, Not Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make strawberry brownies. This recipe is pretty simple ingredient wise. All we need is a box of strawberry cake mix, 2 eggs, a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and then for the glaze you need 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 to 2 tablespoons of water or milk. And then I have a little bit of the strawberry frosting that I'm going to melt and drizzle over the top of mine, but that is not anything that you have to do. First, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350, and then it says line a 9-inch square baking pan with parchment paper and spray it with cooking spray. I don't have a 9-inch square baking pan, so I'm using this one. It's smaller than a 9x13, I know that. So I went ahead, lined it with my parchment paper, sprayed it, and it's still sticking up, but after you get the mix in there, it should all pat down very well. Alright, next we are just going to go ahead and combine our cake mix, eggs, and oil with an electric mixer until it's well combined. And this is going to be really thick, just so you know that. Don't think that you're doing it wrong. It should be a very thick mixture. This is what it should look like after you're done mixing it. Now you do have to get in there with a spoon and scrape the sides and make sure it's all mixed on the bottom. So we are just going to go ahead and spread this into our prepared pan and just spread it out as evenly as you can. Remember, it is really thick. Okay, that looks pretty even to me. A few tips: if you just hold your parchment paper with one hand while you're trying to spread this out, it works a lot better, or everything just moves around. I was able to get mine pretty close to the edges and they look pretty even. So the original recipe calls for 15 minutes of baking, so I'm going to do maybe 12 since this pan is longer. Alright, I just pulled mine out of the oven. The directions said that when it starts to crack and pull away from the sides, that is how you know they are done. So now we're just going to let them sit out here for 10 minutes. Okay, my 10 minutes is up. I did end up putting these back in the oven for about probably 8 minutes or so, and then I got them out and let them cool for the 10 minutes. Now we're just going to remove these using the parchment paper from the pan. I also took a toothpick and just now made holes all over it so all of the glaze can get down in those holes. So next we're going to go ahead and prepare our glaze by using our 1 cup of powdered sugar in a little bowl, and then just mix 1 tablespoon of water or milk with that and stir it. And then if you need more, you can add another tablespoon. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. I did use 2 tablespoons of milk in mine. Now we're just going to go ahead and pour that over your brownies, or if you want to spread it, however you want to do it. That looks pretty good, so I'm just going to go ahead and let it sit there until the glaze starts to harden up and give the brownies also a chance to set and cool completely, and then we're going to go ahead and cut them into our bars. Okay, those look pretty set up, so now we can cut them into bars, and you can just cut off the ends, anything that just doesn't look good. Here is what the finished product looks like. I was able to get about 13 brownies after you cut off all of the end pieces and everything. That's what it looks like, and of course those are not going to go to waste, but we are taking these over to a party, so we're going to leave those, and then we'll eat those. So I got Taste Tester a little piece. Let's see what he thinks. Okay, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yeah. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, everyone, come back and see us again, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
I like it.
Bye.
Bye.